What's up? Quick update on our 7.3 IDI. We got the motor out and it's a little too heavy, so this is what we're gonna do. All right, go. Slop.
Slow. A little bit more. Little bit more. Okay, that's good. Back up a little bit. Little bit more. That's good. Put your park in there. Give me a second.
Yeah, go for it. Slow. Charlie, we good?
A little bit more. That's good. Perfect.
And that is how to get a motor out of a truck. Huge thank you to Charlie right here. Charlie, say what's up.
Hey, what's up, people?
Wait, stop. All right, so now we're gonna pull up the truck, back the truck up behind it, and set it down in the bed. And then we can move wherever we want. All right, you're good. Stop. All right, we're gonna back the truck up right now. Come slow, keep going. Keep going.
That's good.
Wait, stop. All right, Charlie, should we get the pry bar? Let's show you where we're holding. We basically just pulled the truck forward with his truck. For all those that don't like shaky cameras, we pulled the chassis forward with his truck. Then we are going to back the truck up with the engine in over there, drop it, and pack up. We got the truck moved back. Now Charlie's over here cranking up the jack. See how to get this engine up, then just pull the truck forward, drop the engine, and roll the chassis back in place and continue tomorrow. Guys, check out Master Mechanic Charlie for all your mechanical needs after Jersey Mechanics. Call Charlie Mechanics. Oh, it's moving. He's coming up. Yeah. We could car wash it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good. Keep going.
Is it gonna go high enough?
Yeah.
You gotta keep in mind that it's sunk down your suspension quite a bit.
Yeah, cool. Squeeze it, go, Mike. Go ahead. You're still recording?
Yeah, you wanna go off?
Huh?
Should we stop recording?
Well, just start pulling my car up.
Wait, Charlie, we're good to pull the car up?
Yeah, he's good.
It's off the bed?
To be slowly, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get you guys a better angle of this. Sorry for the moving camera. And there it is. We'll be right back. We're just gonna drop it down in place. And the end result, engine is sitting on a crate and some bricks in the back. Just got the chassis back in place. Huge shout out to Charlie for the 5th time. And we are done.